We just want to outline some of the hazards that a workshop would come across when working with hybrid and electric vehicles. Firstly, we have electric shock. Electric shock happens when an operator or technician comes into contact with a live circuit. One mitigation technique for this is to not wear any metallic jewellery such as rings, bracelets, or a necklace. Number 2 is battery electrolyte. Battery electrolyte is extremely corrosive as it is really high in pH. It will cause skin irritation and cause blindness. It's best to wash your eyes out immediately if you come into contact with this. Next up is magnetism. AC motors generate a magnetic field when operating. It is important to ensure that you do not put any body parts in the path of these components. Some mitigation measures include wearing the correct PPE, also going onto St. John's website and downloading the electric shock fact sheet. Make sure that it is posted in your workshop.